Whoa, whoa.
So Ronnie, you're on live video here. What's going on there, boss?
I got a nice fish.
I see that. Way to go, Captain.
Yeah.
Very nice. Look at that.
Nice
It's
fish.
hard work today for us, but look at that. Right on, boss. Okay, so,
Whoa.
yeah, there we go. I got you. I got you.
Good.
That's what happens. It should be the captains that get fish like that.
Yeah.
Which he did.
Water.
Come close up here to him. Nice, nice looking pickerel. There you go. Yeah, we had to work for them today, but we had to put 5 back, and we've got 1 limit, but we really had to work for them.
Got him.
There you go, boss. On his spinner. There, I'm going to open this
I
up.
don't know how big it is. I want to measure.
Oh, okay. You're still on live here, Ronnie, so we are, I'd say, a couple pound. There you go. Nice looking pickerel.
What about?
Over 2?
Pound.
Okay, right on.
How's it long answer? I don't know.
Okay. Okay, I got it. You just turn just follow me like that. That's all. You don't have to press no button.
Hey.
So here we go. From here to here, 19.
19, right on.
19 is good.
1 over.
Go, boss.